Welcome to Automania, where your dream car is just a few clicks away. Start by visiting our website at automania.us/autos and browse our inventory. Once you've found the vehicle you've been looking for, make sure you have all the requirements for financing. Let's create a checklist. Your checklist should include driver's license, account statements, proof of address, proof of income. Now, click on the Pre-Qualify Now link to fill in some simple information and kickstart the pre-qualification process. Once you've submitted your information, our team will reach out to you to complete your application and secure your pre-qualification. Ready to get started on your journey to owning your dream vehicle? Visit us at automania.us/autos and text 770-944-9558 for more information.